Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this salt and pepper grinder set for reviewing purposes, and I think these two are, well, quite nice. As you can see, they come well protected. This is the other one. These manual pepper or spice grinders are actually really practical, and I like the size. So you screw this up here, take this cap out to fill it with any spice that you wanna use. I'm gonna put some black pepper in here. Fill it up like that. As you can see, it has this acrylic part right here, so you can see your spices, and I think it's really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna fill the other one. I've got in here my salt. Like that. Take the cap out and screw it back up. This is how they look with the spices. Okay, so now they are ready. I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs, and I like my eggs with some salt and some pepper, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now that we have this ready, if you turn it counterclockwise, it gives a more coarse grind. But if you do it clockwise, you'll get a much finer one. Same with the other one. If you go counterclockwise, a coarse, and if you go counterclockwise, a finer grind. So I think this grinder set is really nice. It's made of natural oak and has this acrylic part to see what spices you are using and not use the wrong one. I think they look really nice, and they are perfect size, and it has a good grip, which is something I like. So I actually would really recommend this grinder set. See you!